Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. So if you can't add friends on Snapchat, whether it's a glitch or a setting issue, let's fix it under a minute. First, check if you're blocked. If you can't find someone, they might have blocked you or deleted their account. Try searching their username directly. Second step is to check your friend limit. Snapchat has a hidden friend limit around 5,000. So if you have added too many people, you might need to remove some first. Third step is to update Snapchat. Go to your app store, search for Snapchat, and tap update if available. An outdated version can block features like adding friends. Fourth step is to clear cache. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called apps. Now use the search icon at the top right and search Snapchat. Scroll down and go to storage. And here, tap clear cache and then clear data. Then restart the app and try again. Make sure Snapchat has permission to access your contacts and your internet connection is stable. If you added too many people too quickly, Snapchat might temporarily block you. Wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. And that's how to fix the issue. Drop a like if it worked and subscribe for more Snapchat fixes in seconds. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.